Hello everyone, welcome. Turkish Gullac dessert is the preferred milky dessert during Ramadan due to its lightness. During the Ottoman period, chefs came together to make a dessert special to the sultan in Istanbul and made this dessert. Gullac leaves are prepared by pouring the mixture of water, flour and starch on a hot iron and cooking. It is important that it is extremely thin. It will be more delicious if it is kept in a cool place for 1 year. Ingredients: 13 leaves of gullac dough and 2.5 liters of milk, 500 grams of sugar, 1 to 2 handfuls of coconut, a total of 300 grams of hazelnuts and walnuts, pistachios to add on, a little vanilla powder, 3 grams, fragrant rose petals. Can be used in rose water but may contain chemicals. Can be strawberries, cherries or sour cherries to decorate. 2 large trays to be used. You can first prepare the hazelnuts with the chips apparatus of the blender. Add the milk to the saucepan and let it heat over medium heat. Ventilate this way when the milk comes to boiling point. The purpose of making this movement is to make the milk gain more flavor by contacting with air. Add sugar, mix and turn off the fire. Throw the milk into the air at least 40 times and continue the aeration process. Wait for the temperature of the milk to go away. It should be 40 to 45 degrees. Add the rose petals to the warm milk and mix. These are fragrant rose petals that are used in jam making and that grow in the city where I live. The name Güllaç means food with rose in it. It means this in Turkish. In other words, Güllaç dessert needs to smell nice and vanilla powder can be added for this. This way you can control the temperature of the milk with your finger. Add milk to the large tray. Dip the crispy Güllaç crust in milk, let stand for a few seconds and place on the tray. Six leaves of sweet dough will be added to the bottom section. Add some milk on it. add hazelnut walnut mixture, I can say that the ratio of hazelnuts is higher. Add the grated coconut walnuts, which will give the dessert a very nice scent. Add 6 gullac leaves to the upper part, 1 more leaf can be added to the edges, there will be 13 leaves in total. Add the remaining milk to it. You can cut the dessert in 3 places to make it easier for the milk to reach the bottom. I can say that a total of 2.5 liters of milk is used. Slice the Güllaç dessert after taking the milk and add milk according to the situation. We will use strawberries to decorate it. Prepare a sherbet on the outside so that the strawberries do not come out red. After the sherbet cools, add it to the strawberries, slice the strawberries and add it on Güllaç. Add pistachios. After Güllaç dessert is prepared in this way, it is allowed to cool in the open air and added to the refrigerator. Güllaç dessert is eaten cold. When you remove a slice of dessert, there should be a puddle of milk under it. Serve it after it cools down and consume it the day you make it, as it is a milky dessert type. See you again in a new video. Goodbye.